You might have heard the term holacracy buzzing in business circles. It is a radical way to organize a company without traditional bosses. At its core, holacracy is a system of self-management. It replaces the classic top-down hierarchy with a flat structure of circles and roles. In a traditional company, you have a boss. In a holacracy, there are no managers. Authority is distributed across the entire team. The system relies on three pillars: flexible roles, self-organizing circles, and a strict constitution that dictates how decisions get made. Most companies operate like a pyramid where bosses call the shots, but holacracy flips that model to give every team member real power. Proponents argue that by removing middle management bottlenecks, teams can process information and make decisions much faster than in legacy structures. The main takeaway is that holacracy is not about chaos. It is about replacing human-based authority with process-based authority. Whether this structure works for your company depends on the culture. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more organizational deep dives.